You're welcome to the Nati Guide. Today's video is about building resumes for free. I tested a couple of CV or resume building platforms, and the best one to use is called resumetrick.com. With this particular platform, it is free to use. You can download your CV or resume even after editing. The only thing that you'd need to do is sign up in order to download your CV or resume. When you sign up and log in, this is how the platform looks like. When you navigate your mouse to the resume section, we have resume builder, resume template, resume examples. In case you don't even know how to write a resume, you can click on this button and follow a step-by-step guide to write your resume. The same applies to CV. We have CV builder, CV template, CV examples, and even how to write a CV. If you don't know how to write a CV, you can click on this button and it will show you a step-by-step guide on how to go about writing a CV. We have cover letters and we have career blog. In case you want to know more about Resume Trick, you can just click on this button and it will take you straight to their blog site. Then you read more about them. This is all about building resumes. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.